Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this VIVO device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that. Now install this app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your VIVO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!